So today I want you to think about the setbacks. Have you ever faced any? They're not just dead ends, they're detours in your journey. I want you to think about when you experience a failure. Failures are not here to attack you. They're here to shine light on areas that you need to be able to strengthen, okay? You need to be able to find the gaps in how you conduct yourself, the way you think. These gaps are signposts. They help you understand where you need to focus your energy and focus your efforts for learning purposes. Embrace them, refine them, learn and grow. It's okay to feel disappointment or frustration as you're on your journey. That's valid. Things happen. They get in the way. They're annoying. They're frustrating. But don't let these things dictate your decisions. You have to breathe. You need to reflect, okay? You need to be able to get back on the saddle, put yourself back in a position after you've taken time to review what those things are. Setbacks are lessons in disguise. So keep pushing, and with wisdom and with balance, you can come out on the other end.